Uxu. Absolutely not. Am I supposed to know what this is?
I know it's something with UX, and the product designers use the deer emoji a lot for it.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Isn't it like an antelope deer thing?
Ooh, oh yeah, UXU, of course.
An UXU, or a UXU, or a UX update is a way for designers at Drift to identify inconsistencies in the app.
So it's named after this like majestic, mythical animal. In terms of like Drift, it actually means small little quick wins that our engineering team can tackle and design team can tackle within like 1 to 2 hours each week.
So anything that's user-facing and has a high impact on usability and how they perceive the product, we define as an UXU.
It's all the things that you shouldn't have to think about when you're looking at a product. You should expect that the colors are the same on every page, that the spacing is consistent, that everything behaves the same way everywhere in the app, because then you feel like you understand the app that you're using and that you're paying for.
So every week our team meets together and decides on what the work for the next week is. And we try to pick up 1 or 2 UXUs every week.
Julie gives me a list every week of 2 UXUs to do that usually relate to what I'm already working on that week.
Every Friday, we are asked to list how many UXUs the designer along with the developer complete. And then there's a random drawing, and whoever wins a gift card.
Ones that I tend to pick are ones that have the most visible customer impact. So if it's something that customers interact with on a daily basis, for example, typing text into the message window, any change there will have a huge impact on their day-to-day workflow.
We're caring about the small details, and like the small details really matter.
I'm very much a perfectionist, and I like to see stuff like at 100% and not at the 80%. So that last like 20% of effort usually is where the UXUs fall, where we want to deliver a consistent experience in the product. And we can't do that if we're ignoring that last 20% of the work.
I think it's awesome that Drift has a culture where we work really closely together and both sides of the product are really working to making an awesome experience for the user and pushing for the same high standards. And these are the deer counterparts. You know, this is where we really base the name, these very real animals that exist in the world.